Xiepu linear motor winding machine is a representative linear motor winding solution with outstanding competitiveness. It features high rigidity, stable structure, and excellent precision, and has obvious advantages in structure, function, and stability. Its operation is simpler than traditional processes. Key steps such as starting and stopping winding are easy to handle, making it easy to get started. It also runs fast and has good supply rigidity that can improve coil quality and efficiency, control costs, and meet core needs. As can be seen in the video, it operates stably, is easy to operate, produces neatly arranged coils, and has simple parameter settings.Moreover, it can reduce the dependence on the proficiency of personnel, lower training costs. Operators do not need high skills, and the operation process is simple, which saves labor costs for enterprises and improves the stability of product quality. Xiepu with you work together for common benefits.